Hello everyone, this is Lieutenant VL Vimla. In this video, we are going to learn present continuous tense. In the previous video, we learned simple present tense being supported by the follow-up short story video where subjects and verbs were color highlighted. Now let's move on with the learning of a present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? It is the tense which describes the action which is taking place right now, where the action is going on. Where to use it? We have to use this tense to describe the action which is started now and going on. The formula of this tense is subject plus be form plus verb plus ing form plus object. How this formula is framed? It is just based on the following 4 rules. Here, subjects and objects are nouns that we have already discussed in the previous video. We have also discussed about the 3 forms of the verb in that video. Link will be shared in the description. If you have not watched it, please watch and get the benefit. Now it is the verb. The time indicator has to indicate the present continuous tense. For this, we have to know just 4 rules. The first one is, in the continuous tense, we have to use only the first or the present form of the verb. The second one is, we have to add ing to the verb. The third one is, whenever we add ing to the verb, we have to add be form before the verb. The final one is, we have to know the present tense be forms and their appropriate usage. So let's learn about the present continuous tenses be forms. They are am, are and is. Where to use them? Whenever the subject is first person singular, that is I, be form has to be am. Example, I am learning English. Here, I subject, am learning is verb, English is another noun to indicate it as a object. Whenever the subject is second person singular and plural, that is you, and the first person plural, we, and the third person plural, they, the be form has to be are. Example, you are learning English. We are learning English. They are learning English. Whenever the subject is third person singular, that is he, she and it, the be form has to be is. Example, he is learning English. She is learning English. It or a parrot is learning English. That's all. Now you can use present continuous tense in the appropriate places using these 4 steps. Now let's learn 12 simple verbs and their 3 forms. As I told you that whenever we learn verb, we have to learn the 3 forms of it. Along with the 3 forms of the verbs, we will also learn the noun form of them, as it will help us to use the words as nouns as well. Let's see the 3 forms and the noun form of the verb and then frame sentences in present continuous tense applying all the 4 rules. The first word is sit, and the 3 forms of it are sit, sat, seated, and the noun form of it is sitting. The example for the same is I am sitting in the sofa. The second word is watch. The three forms of it are watch, watched, watched. The noun form of it is watching. The example for the same is we are watching a movie. The third word is sing. The three forms of it are sing, sang, and sung. The noun form of it is singing. The example is you are singing a very old song. The fourth word is read. The three forms of it are read, read, and read. The noun form of it is reading. Please remember, you can see the spelling for the read, read, and read the same, but then the pronunciation alone varies. So you have to remember the pronunciation of the three forms of it. And the example for the same is he is reading a newspaper. The fifth word is go. The three forms of it are go, went, gone. The noun form of it is going. The example for the same is she is going to the library. The sixth word is live. The three forms of it are live, lived, lived. The noun form of it is living. The example for the same is cat is living a luxurious life. The seventh word is meet. The three forms of it are meet, met, met. The noun form of it is meeting. The example for the same is they are all meeting at the park. The eighth word is play. The three forms of it are play, played, played. The noun form of it is playing. The example for the same is I am playing basketball. The ninth word is make. The three forms of it are make, made, made. The noun form of it is making. The example for the same is they are making pizza. The 10th word is write. The three forms of it are write, wrote, written. The noun form of it is writing. The example is she is writing a letter. The 11th word is eat, and the three forms of it are eat, ate, eaten. The noun form of it is eating. The example is we are eating our lunch. The 12th word is sleep. The three forms of it are sleep, slept, slept. The noun form of it is sleeping. The example is you are sleeping for 6 hours. So, in this video, I have said what is present continuous tense, where to use it, what is the formula, and the 4 rules to frame sentences in the present continuous tense. We have also seen a few examples applying all the rules. Let's see some self-check questions. The first question is, what does the present continuous tense describe? Option A completed action. Option B, a ongoing action. The answer is a ongoing action. In the second set of questions, choose the correct option of present continuous tense from the answer options given for each question. The first question is, she dash the garden. The answer options are waters and is watering. The answer is she is watering the garden. You must be knowing she waters is a simple present tense. So you will not have that answer there. You will only have the answer she is watering the garden. The next question is, they dash tennis. The answer options are playing and are played. The answer is they are playing tennis. Here you must be knowing that the continuous tense has to have, that is, present verb form followed by ing form preceded by be form. Here the subject is they and the be form for the they is are. So the answer is they are playing tennis. The next question is, you dash the ice cream very well. The answer options are is preparing and are preparing. The answer is you are preparing the ice cream very well. You must be knowing the answer because the subject you has to have the be form of are and not is. So the answer is you are preparing the ice cream very well. The final question is, I dash a live show. The answer options are am watching and are watching. The answer is I am watching a live show. I hope all your answers are correct. Applauses. Following this video, there will be a Tamil video of this video. You can watch that also and get better benefit. In a few days, there will be a short story video color highlighting the present continuous tense verb usage. You may watch that also and get yourself familiarized with the present continuous tense usage. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, please do subscribe my channel, like, share and hit the bell icon to get the notification. Until we meet in the next video, take care.